While establishing businesses in the U.S., entrepreneurs sometimes overlook the requirement of a registered agent to handle government documentation. This can lead to dire consequences, such as missing important government communication. This can be easily tackled by hiring a professional registered agent. This video will review the requirements for having a registered agent in every U.S. state. Before we jump into the video, let's introduce you to Northwest Registered Agent. It is a service provider offering registered agent services, business formation, and more. The company provides top-notch privacy protection and customer support from agents across the United States at an affordable rate. It's extremely easy to get started with LLC formation services at Northwest Registered Agent. You simply go to its website and elect for the company to complete the process for you. Then you'll select the type of business you want to form, LLC, corporation, or nonprofit. From there, you'll select your state and whether you would like to pay for a 7-day processing period or a 1-day period. After that, you'll only have to pay and submit basic documentation about you and your business, then the company will take it from there to get your business registered. Let's continue the video. For those who don't know what is a registered agent. While starting a U.S. business, founders and owners must appoint an individual or an entity to receive legal correspondence on the company's behalf. This role is crucial because it ensures that a company remains compliant with state laws and promptly receives essential correspondence such as service of process, tax notices, and compliance documents. Now, a common question comes: general requirements for registered agents? Across most states, the requirements for registered agents include having a physical address in the state, no P.O. boxes, being available during normal business hours, and being either a state resident or a business entity authorized to operate in the state. Individuals serving as their own registered agents must also meet these criteria. Now, let's walk you through state-by-state guide for registered agent. First, North Dakota. Registered agents in North Dakota must be state residents or companies providing registered agent services. Business filings will not be accepted if they do not include a registered agent. Number 2, Indiana. Indiana requires registered agents to have a physical address in the state and be available during business hours. Individuals and companies providing registered agent services are acceptable. Then, Arkansas. Arkansas allows any person or entity with a physical address to serve as a registered agent. Business owners, family members, and lawyers can all be designated. State law of Arkansas requires all businesses to appoint a registered agent. Most popular service is Northwest Registered Agent, renowned for its exceptional privacy protection features. For just $39 plus state fees, clients can enjoy unparalleled peace of mind along with a complimentary registered agent service for the first year. This comprehensive package not only ensures top-notch privacy safeguards but also provides excellent value for money. With Northwest Registered Agent, customers can rest assured that their sensitive information is in safe hands, allowing them to focus on their business endeavors with confidence. Number 4, South Dakota. All businesses in South Dakota must appoint a registered agent. Registered agents must have a physical address in the state and be available during business hours. Individuals must be residents of the state. 5, North Carolina. North Carolina requires registered agents to be state residents or companies providing registered agent services. All businesses must appoint a registered agent. Then, Ohio. Registered agents in Ohio, also known as statutory agents, must have a physical address. Business owners can serve as their registered agents if they meet the criteria. Number 7, Pennsylvania. State law requires all businesses to appoint a registered agent during formation. If a registered agent in Pennsylvania is unreachable, the company's secretary will be served. Owners can also act as their own registered agents. 8, Alabama. Registered agents in Alabama must have a physical address in the state and be available during business hours. If business owners are residents of Alabama, they can serve as their own registered agents. Alternatively, businesses can hire a registered agent company with an office in Alabama. Then, Utah. All business entities in Utah must appoint a registered agent and maintain a physical presence in the state. Business owners can also serve as their own registered agents. Final and number 10, South Carolina. LLCs and corporations in South Carolina must maintain a registered agent, but business owners can serve as their own registered agents. Now, let's understand how to choose the right registered agent. Selecting the right registered agent is crucial for maintaining compliance and ensuring that your business receives essential legal and tax documents promptly. Here are some factors to consider when choosing a registered agent. Availability. Ensure the registered agent is available during standard business hours to receive documents. This is a fundamental requirement across all states. Physical address. The agent must have a physical address in the state where your business is registered. P.O. boxes are not acceptable. Reliability. Choose a registered agent with a proven track record of reliability and professionalism. They should promptly forward all received documents to you. Professional services. Consider the benefits of hiring a professional registered agent service. These services ensure that all documents are handled properly and can provide additional features such as compliance tracking and document management. Costs. While cost is essential, it should not be the sole consideration. The cheapest option may provide lower service and reliability than your business needs. Why Northwest Registered Agent should be your preferred registered agent? Having exceptional expertise in shaping the entrepreneurial dream for thousands of founders, we have gained strategic insights into what it takes to be a registered agent for businesses. Therefore, our superior registered agent services allow you to focus on your core businesses while we handle government correspondence on your behalf. Sign up today to see the difference a responsible registered agent can bring to your business.